we're really lucky because at the root of the Harrisonburg community is a core group of friends and people who spent decades riding together, and it was all created out of fun and community. And I think that really spills through, and that's what we try to hold on to through these years, and that's part of the pixie dust that makes Harrisonburg special.
High five, dude. Yeah, that was sweet. Yeah, smiling. That's awesome. You get to do a high five at him.
What's today's ride going to be like for everybody?
We're going to crawl some rocks, float some moss, and do some roots.
We're gonna go ride Bird Knob. It's this seldom but sometimes ridden trail, known for being pretty gnarly descent at the end. We're gonna go out and back a little bit on it today.
My name's Kyle Lawrence, and I'm the president of the Shenandoah Valley Bicycle Coalition, and been in Harrisonburg for about 15 years now, and stuck around after college because the riding in the community is so great. The coalition and the community is really focused on making sure more people have the ability to ride a bike, empowering them that if they so choose they can bike, and again that can be for fun or for work or to get around town, but giving a range of opportunities. And I think in Harrisonburg you have the full spectrum of folks who maybe have to ride a bike and folks who ride a bike for fun, but really focused on that quality of life, whether it's for work or for play, and celebrating that we're intentional in what we do and how we do it, and that we get to craft our community for ourselves. It's not about other people coming. While we're still warm, friendly, and we love to show people around and have people here, we're really building this community for ourselves. And I think that's unique because we develop it the way we want it. We just see a vision for the Shenandoah Valley being the bike capital, whether that's of Virginia, of the world, or as someone told us, of the universe. Got to dream big, but we want to empower more people to be able to ride bikes. And whether that's through our Bicycles for Refugee program, where recent refugees get bicycles, or whether that's for a kid in school, or someone who picks up a mountain bike for the first time. And so we want more opportunities for people to ride bikes. We don't want to force you to ride a bike, because that's up to you, but we want you to be able to ride a bike if you want to. We think it's pretty fun, so we hope you do.